Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to cancel NFL Redzone on YouTube TV, okay? Very easy and simple, so you can do this from your computer, your phone, okay? And from your computer, you just go to tv.youtube.com and just go ahead and sign in with your Google account. And at the top right, I want you to click on your profile and then click on the settings icon, the settings cog, and then under memberships, next to NFL Sunday, click on Manage. Now, next year, next billing date, click on Cancel, and then click on Yes, Cancel. Okay? And once you have canceled your renewal, they'll actually send you a confirmation. And it's basically the same process on your Android device as well, and for your iPhone and iPad as well. Same process. Okay? So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. I'll see you in the next one.